How to add shares to Computershare account. Follow the instructions. Go to the Computershare website and log into your Investor Center account. Click on the menu and select the Transfer Shares option. Choose Start a Transfer and open the Transfer Wizard. Select Account Holder as the role if you are transferring your own shares. Choose Transfer to an existing account. Enter your Computershare account number, name and address. Enter the stock name or ticker symbol and how many shares to transfer. Enter the details of the broker or institution where the shares are currently held. Review the transfer information carefully. Submit the online request and print a copy if needed. Wait for Computershare to process the transfer. Check your Investor Center account to confirm the shares have been added. Thank you for watching.